People think that you need one big app idea to make it big. I don't agree. That's why I'm launching multiple mobile apps this year instead. Hello, my name is Pavel and this is the Apiarist project where I share my insights on how I build and launch multiple mobile apps in 2025 and 6. The apiarist is a fancy term for beekeeper, and this is the conjunction of the words of the app and the apiarist. And you, as the apiarist, you build multiple mobile apps, and each app is a small beehive that provides you with a little bit of honey every month. There is a problem with one big app idea approach, and I've been guilty of this. In 2023, I spent 1.5 years in order to launch a mobile app that actually flopped, and it's still available, FitMate, online, but it doesn't work because it doesn't have the social effect that it needs, that I didn't understand, that I would understand if I actually spent time on releasing and maybe researching more about the idea. So that's the first mistake. You spend a lot of time in building your app idea, you keep overthinking, you over-engineer stuff, and you end up launching a very polished product without actually validating if that idea is a good one. And with software cost going to zero, with AI, multiple marketing teams with skills of Meta ads, Google ads and Apple ads can actually get you crushed because you as an indie developer shipped a beautiful app, but nobody sees this because everybody sees your competitors' ads and use their app. Multi-app approach isn't something new under the sun. There are tons of people that had this similar approach which worked for them, and this is nothing I stumbled upon. It's actually based on my own experience. In 2025, I spent most time on one app trying to promote it while I don't know it. I end up selling this app in August, and I feel that was a good decision. I've released a few other app ideas in 2025, and I saw the pattern that like one app makes some money, another app makes some money, and that revenue compounds. Even that I sold this app in August, I had November and December being best month, and after selling this app finally realized that I need to focus on launching multiple mobile apps, and I did launch multiple mobile apps after that. What actually compounds in this multi-app approach? It's not only the revenue, because you get $5 from one app and $10 from another app and 50 from another app. You learn way faster and you increase your knowledge of tactics that work on onboarding, whether it's long or short, or you learn more about the field that your app is in. Is it in health industry? Is it in photo and video industry? There are all different fields which have different approach that works in each of them. Also, whenever you launch multiple apps, you learn a little bit more about ASO, how that works. You just learn by doing more. You learn more about the tactics, how to better position your app, which paywall to use in order to make your app grow and pay better. This multiple app approach allows you to doing multiple small changes in order to test out the best tactics available right now. And why this tactics works for indie developers. If you are like me and you've been working in software development for at least 5 to 10 years, you know development a little bit better than marketing, and you know that our field is constantly changing and how hard it is to actually keep up with the changes that are in our field. You know the best how to ship fast, and with tools like Cloud Code or Codex right now, or Cursor, especially for you, it's way faster to build any kind of application. This multiple app strategy, you can approach it systematically. With marketing budget being low whenever you start, I know it was basically zero. You need to focus on the things that you actually can do to increase your chances. This strategy especially works when you have systems in place that will help you launch faster and learn faster. That's why I made my own system, which is shipReactNative.com, which is my boilerplate for releasing quickly React Native applications. I feel like having that, I can release an app within hours. And to validate my app idea, you can always make your app nicer, better, and that systematic approach is key to the success. And what success looks like? You ship constantly, you learn faster, your apps are going to fail, that's fine. You learn to live with this, and this is also important to have in mind. You need to fail faster, fail forward, until you actually find your first breakout idea is going to make more money than you could have ever imagined. That's it for today's video. If you have any suggestions why this multiple app strategy is better than one app strategy, or the other way around, please leave a comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers!